A man engaged a servant on the condition that he would pay him rupees 90 and a turban after a service of a year. He served only for 9 months and received the turban and rupees 65. What is the price of the turban? The question says, एक मैन ने अपने सर्वेंट को एक कंडीशन पर रखा कि वो उसे पे करेगा 90 रुपीज एंड टर्बन. टर्बन इज द क्लोथिंग आइटम worn by the पंजाबी पीपल ऑन देयर हेड. इसको पगड़ी बोलते हैं. आफ्टर सर्विस ऑफ 1 ईयर, तो 1 साल के काम करने के लिए उसने बोला फॉर 1 ईयर ही विल पे 90 रुपीज एंड अ टर्बन. द क्वेश्चन फर्दर सेज he means the servant served only for 9 months and received a turban and rupees 65. The question is asking the price of the turban. Let us start and let's take the price of the turban as X rupees. For a year means for 12 months he would have received rupees 90 plus the turban. Turban we have taken as X rupees. So his 1 year salary or 12 month salary will be 90 plus X. But the question says that he has served only for 9 months. Now, if 12-month salary is 90 plus X, then 1 month salary, breaking down the question, we can directly find out the 9-month salary. But let us start with 1 month salary. His 1 month salary will be 90 plus X divided by 12. This will be his 1 month salary. And now let us calculate his 9-month salary. For 9 months salary, I will multiply this term by 9. 90 plus X upon 12 multiplied by 9. We can cancel 9 and 12. This is 3 3s are. This is 3 4s are. Let's multiply the two numerator terms 90 and X by 3. 90 into 3 is 270 plus X into 3 is 3X upon 4. Now this is the salary he will get for 9 months, which in the question has been given as the 9-month salary in the question is mentioned as a turban plus 65 rupees. Now turban value we have taken as X and we have calculated the 9-month salary as 270 plus 3X upon 4. So this will be equal to his salary of 9 months, which according to the question is rupees 65 and a turban. The price of turban we have taken as X rupees. Let us equate this. Take the 4 from right side to left side. It will be multiplied. 4 multiplied by 65. Taking this equation here is 260 plus 4 multiplied by X is 4X equals 270 plus 3X. I will take 260 left to right, 3X right to left. It will be subtracted. 4X minus 3X equals 270 minus 260. X value is 10. X is our turban, so price of turban is rupees 10. Question was slightly tricky, but after forming the equation, it became very simple. Answer is option number C. Ashok gave 40% of the amount he had to Jayant. Jayant in turn gave 1/4 of what he had received from Ashok to Prakash. After paying 200 to the taxi driver out of the amount he got from Jayant, Prakash now has 600 left with him. How much amount did Ashok have? So in this question there are 3 people: Ashok, Jayant and Prakash. Let us break down the question. The question says Ashok gave 40% of the amount he had to Jayant. Let us assume Ashok had X rupees. So he will give 40% of X to Jayant. He will give 40% of his amount to Jayant. So amount which Jayant will receive will be 40% of X. Now Jayant will give to Prakash 1/4 of what he received from Ashok. He received 40% of X. So he will give 1/4 of 40% of X to Prakash. So it will be 1/4 of 40% of X. Now Prakash is going to give 200 rupees to the taxi driver from the money he received from Jayant. So from this amount which Prakash had, we have to subtract 200 and then we will have rupees 600. The equation will be Prakash had 1/4 of 40% of X, and from this he paid rupees 200, and after paying rupees 200 to the taxi driver, he has rupees 600. On solving this equation, we will get our answer. 40% is 40 upon 100, which is 2 upon 5. Simplifying by 20, it is 2 upon 5. So let us solve this equation. 1 upon 4 into 40%, I'll write 2 upon 5 multiplied by X minus 200. I will take from left side to right side. It will be plus 200. 600 plus 200, it will become 800. Now we can simplify the left hand side numerator with the right hand side numerator 100. I simplify 2 ones are 2 and this is 400. Now I will take the left hand side terms of denominator terms from left hand side to right hand side. It will be multiplied. I will also take 4 from left hand side to right hand side. It will also be multiplied. This will give me X equals to 400 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. 400 into 4 is 1600 into 5. My answer is 8000. So the amount which Ashok had was 8000. That is the question asking. Now if they calculate, if they were asking what is the amount which Jayant got, so it will be 40% of 8000. 40% of 8000 will be 3200. So multiply this. 40% of 8000 will be 3200. And Prakash will get 1/4 of Jayant. So Prakash amount will be 1/4 of 3200. 1/4 of 3200 will be 800. Our answer of this question is option number C. The sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 16. If the tens digit of a number is 3 times the units digit and the units digit is 1/4 of the 100th digit, what is the number? So this 3 digit, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So let us take the 100 place digit as X. The question says that the unit digit is 1/4 of the 100 digit. If 100 digit is X, then unit digit or ones digit is 1/4 of X. 1/4 of X is 1 upon 4X. And the question also says the tens digit of the number is 3 times of units digit. So let's take 3 times of units digit. Units digit, ones place digit is 1/4x. Its 3 times will be 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4x, which will be 3x upon 4. So now I have all the digits. 100 digit is x, tens digit is 3x upon 4, and unit digit or ones digit is x upon 4. The question says that sum of all the 3 digit means 100 digit x, tens digit 3x upon 4 plus ones digit x upon 4. The sum of all these 3 will be 16. Let us equate all of them. Here x has no denominator, put denominator 1, and now we will convert all the denominators to 4. Multiply 1 by 4, multiply x by 4. This will be 4x upon 4 plus 3x upon 4 plus x upon 4 equals 16. Since all the terms have a common denominator 4, I'll make a common denominator 4 here, and I'll add the numerator. 4x plus 3x is 7x. 7x plus x, it will be 8x equals 16. Take 4 from left side to right side. It will be multiplied. Question will become 8x equals to 16 into 4, which is 64. Cancel 8 and 64. The value of x is 8. Now x is our 100 digit and it is 8. Now let us find out the tens digit. It will be 3 into 8 upon 4. It is 4 ones are 4 twos are. 3 into 2, my tens digit is 6. And let us calculate the ones digit or unit digit. It is x upon 4, which will be 8 upon 4, which is 2. So my unit digit is 2, tens digit is 6, and hundreds digit is 8. Our answer is 862, which is option number D. The question was rather very simple, but they just tried to give in a word form to create a confusion. But with little bit of practice, you will be able to work it out very easily. Find a number such that if 6, 12 and 20 are added to it, the product of the first and the third sums may be equal to the square of the second. Let us understand the language. They are saying, I have a number, and on this number when I add 6 or 12 or 20, then the product of first and the third will be equal to the square of the second. Solving this question, let's take our number as x. Now let us add the 3 values. The first number will be x plus 6. The second number will be x plus 12. And the third number will be x plus 20. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Now, as per the question, it says the product of first and third means the product of x plus 6 and x plus 20. Product of first and third will be product of x plus 6 multiplied by third is x plus 20. So product of these two numbers is equal to the square of the second. The second number is x plus 12. Its square will be x plus 12 whole square. Let us multiply them. Here on the left hand side, x into x is x square. X into 20 is plus 20x. 6 into x is plus 6x. And 6 into 20 is plus 120. On the right hand side, this is x plus 12 whole square, which will be expanded using a plus b whole square, which will give us a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a will be x, b will be 12. On expansion, a square will be x square, b square will be 12 square, plus 2ab will be 2 into x into 12. This will give me further x square plus 12 square is 144 plus 2 into x is 2x into 12 is 24x. Left hand side, x square plus 20x plus 6x will be 26x plus 120. Now look at the left hand side term. We have a x square which has a plus sign. Right hand side term also we have a x square which has a plus sign. If I transpose any of the term, suppose if I transpose the x square from right to left side, it will be minus, and then plus x square and minus x square gets cancelled, so you can cancel it straight away from here, no need of transposing. Now I'll take 24x from right side to the left side. Its sign is plus now. When you change the side, it will be minus. I have 26x minus 24x. And I will take 120 from left side to the right side. Right now, it has a plus sign. On transposing, it will be minus 144 minus 120. 26x minus 24x is 2x. 144 minus 20 is 24. Cancel the 2 and 24. The value of x is 12. So my number is 12. The question was very simple. You should be able to work out such equations in the real exam. Answer will be option number C. Seemingly a easy question, but such type of questions were asked many times in the exam. It says the ratio of three number is 3:4:5 and the sum of their squares is 1250. So my numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5. If the ratio is 3:4:5, then the numbers will be 3x, 4x and 5x. Now the question says sum of their squares. Let's take the square 3x whole square plus 4x whole square plus 5x whole square. Sum of their square is equal to 1250. Now 3x square, 3 square is 9, square of x is x square. 4x square, square of 4 is 16, square of x is x square. Plus 5x square, square of 5 is 25, square of x is x square, equals 1250. On adding the left hand side term, I get 9 plus 16 is 25, 25 plus 25 is 50 x square, equals 1250. I cancel 50 and 1250, it will be 25. As 5 5s are 25, we cancel 50 and 1250, x square will be 25. So x is a number which on squaring will give me 25, so the value of x will be 5. It will be solved as, when I take the square from left side to right side, it will become square root, and square root of 25 is 5. No need of doing that. You can simply assume that our x is a number which on squaring gives 25. So which number on squaring gives me 25? It is 5. If value of x is 5, my first number will be 3 into 5, 15. Second number will be 4 into 5, 20. And third number will be 5 into 5, 25. The question is asking the sum of all these three numbers. Answer will be 60. After finding x, another approach which could have been taken is, let's add these three numbers. since they are asking sum of the three numbers, so I'll add them. 3x plus 4x plus 5x, which is 12x. Put the value of x, 12 into 5, that will also give me the answer 60. No need of individually calculating the numbers 15, 20 and 25 and then adding them. You can, since they are asking the sum, you can directly add all the x values and then multiply by 5 to get the answer. Answer is option number A. In a zoo, there are rabbits and pigeons. If their heads are counted, these are 90, while their legs are 224. The number of pigeons in the zoo are. So rabbit and pigeon together, they are 90. Let us assume there are x number of rabbits. So the number of pigeons will be total minus x, which is 90 minus x. If the sum of two animals are 90, then one of them is x, then second will be 90 minus x. I have taken rabbit as x, pigeons will be automatically total minus x, which is 90 minus x. Now the question says about their legs. Now we know that rabbit has 4 legs, and a pigeon has 2 legs. Now we will calculate the total number of legs. For total legs, I have to multiply the number of rabbit x by legs of each rabbit, which is 4. So the total legs of rabbit will be x into 4, because the number of rabbits is x and every rabbit has 4 legs. So total x rabbits will have x into 4 legs. Similarly, I will find out the total number of legs of pigeon, which will be total number of pigeon are 90 minus x. Each pigeon has 2 legs, so total number of legs will be, multiply them, it will be 90 minus x multiplied by 2. This is x into 4 is the total legs of rabbit, 90 minus x into 2 is the total leg of pigeon, and when we add them, we should get the total number of legs, which is given in the question as 224. Let us solve this equation. X into 4 is 4x plus 90 into 2 is 180 minus x into 2 is minus 2x equals 224. Subtract 4x minus 2x, it is 2x. Take 180 from left to right, it will be subtracted. 224 minus 180. 2x is equal to 224 minus 180 is 44. Cancel 2 and 44. The value of x will be 22. It means the number of rabbit which was taken as x will be 22. And number of pigeons will be total 90 minus rabbit, which is 68. So number of pigeons in this question, answer is option number B. Question was very simple. We could have very easily formed two equations. Rupees 770 have to be divided among A, B and C such that A receives 2/9 of what B and C together receive. Then A's share is. So there are three people, A, B and C. A is getting 2/9 of B plus C together. So let us assume B plus C together get X. So A will be 2/9 into X, which is 2x upon 9. So share of A will be 2x upon 9. Share of B and C together will be X. And according to the question, share of A, B and C together will be 770. Let us equate. A is 2x upon 9 plus B and C together is X equals 770. Put 1 here. You can either cross multiply or make the denominator same. I'll go by converting 1 to 9 to make the denominator same. Multiply the denominator by 9 and also the numerator by 9. It will be 2x upon 9 plus 9x upon 9 equals 770. 2x plus 9x is 11x upon 9 equals 770. Now remember, we can simplify the left hand side numerator with the right hand side 770. It will act as a numerator. I cancel the 11 and 770. It is 70. I take 9 from left to right. It will be multiplied. The value of x will be 70 into 9, which is 630. So x is the amount which B and C are receiving together, and the question is asking to find A share. So I have substituted the value of x in this 2x upon 9, which will become 2 into 630 upon 9. This is 70. 2 into 70 is 140. So share of A is rupees 140. Question was simple, but they just tried to trick you by giving the share of B and C together. Now remember, in this question, if they ask you what is the individual share of B and C, then we cannot find it out. Answer will be cannot be determined. Here the answer is option number